Hey everyone, it's nearly fall and that means it's time for cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice, and gorgeous autumn makeup. Today we're gonna achieve a stunning fall makeup look with easy breezy steps. This video is for you if you want this simple fall look. First, I like to start with a refreshing and hydrating moisturizer. Then I'm applying a mattifying primer and I'm going to only add it on my pores. Just let it sink into your skin. Today I'm applying BB cream and I'm going to add just a thin layer. I'm in love with fall season and I'm in love with everything related to fall. And I think that this makeup is going to become so much beautiful. You see, I am getting closer to that flawless skin that I wanted. You know, I personally think that everything is possible. I mean, you can decide to become the most striking girl and you can do that. And whenever you decide to do that, you can attract so many people. So I think decision matters the most. You need to decide. I believe that it'll happen. And I'm going to dust some setting powder, lightly of course. Remember, this fall makeup needs to be matte, it shouldn't be glowy. Since this is fall makeup look, everything in it needs to be related to orange colors, like this. So I'm adding a touch of color to my cheeks with this LA Girl Soft Matte Cream Blush. And this is shade GBL 440 Cutie. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to add this on my cheeks. I'm not afraid if it's going to be too much. I'm just gonna add it. And then simply with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it. You see how gorgeous and natural it is? Doesn't matter what kind of concealers you're using, but I prefer to use cool toned concealers because it's fall makeup and I want to combine it with warm tones, so I need to create some balance. So just a small dot under my eye. With the heat of my finger, I'm going to blend it under my eye. And this lightness of concealer is added gradually. For prepping the eyelids to create a smooth base for your eyeshadow, again apply your concealer. And again, use your fingers. Because it's totally easy to use your fingers and also your fingers have natural heat. As for me, I gotta say that the only orange shades that I managed to find in my stuff was in this palette. I don't use this palette every day, but I think it's kind of cute, don't you think? And this is it. You know, I think this color is that lively orange pumpkin color that I want. I want to use it as my base. I take it easy and use its own brush and I sweep it all over my eyelid. It's kind of cute to use this kind of brushes, don't you think? I personally believe that for becoming beautiful, you don't have to spend like hundreds of dollars, but you can simply become beautiful with simple products and simple methods. This might be the second or the third time in my entire life that I'm applying orange shades. I'm in love with that. Yeah, I love to, try new things. I want to apply cayenne, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's a good choice for dimension and I want to apply it on my outer third. So this is my outer third. I'm just gonna use its own brush as I said and I'm gonna dab on the previous color. And it's going to be super easy. You don't have to do anything, it's not a big deal. And then I'm gonna blend it with the other side. Now, I want to add even more dimension, so I'm going to use a little bit darker shade. This time I want to use Enfugo, I suppose. I don't know how to pronounce it. This time I'm just gonna add at the edges. Don't try to put the darkness everywhere. I'm just going to put the darkness on the corners. And this much would be enough. And I'm going to blend it with the fluffy side again. I'm not going to blend it towards the center. So right now, I'm going to add a little bit of color or somehow darkness under my eyes. But I don't want to take more product. I'm just going to use what is left over on my brush, because this is dark color and it's tricky to, take more product. Also, it's cleaner. It's time for eyeliner. It's optional. You can apply eyeliner whenever you want, but I'm an eyeliner girl. I don't know how to say that, but I'm in love with applying eyeliner anytime. This is an angled brush, as you can see, and it helps me to apply the eyeliner better and more flawless. If you don't know how to apply eyeliner, I have lots of videos on how to apply eyeliner, and you can simply go and check them out. Today I want to stay minimal, so that will be enough for me. The only thing that I'm going to do with my brows is to feel they're sparse, and I'm going to do that with the brown brow pencil. And I'm going to blend it with my finger as well. I want to brush the tip of my brows with a brow gel. I want to apply false lashes to get that perfect effect I want. For those of you who have long lashes or big eyes, mascara would be enough for you. As for my lipstick, I add Remy Rousse lip gloss number 506 to add autumn-inspired and long-lasting color to my lips. But before applying this, I want to apply lip liner to shape my lips. So I'm going to use a brown lip liner. And I'm just going to shape my Cupid's bow. And a little bit under my lower lip. This is somehow like burnt orange. I want to add this crayon lipstick too, because I want to get that warm earthy shade that matches the warm shades of my eyeshadow. Okay, that's all. That's my fall makeup look. We have lots of different fall makeup looks, and this is one of them. You can use orange shades, brown shades, or let's say warm toned shades. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to see your gorgeous result. So share your take on this autumn inspired makeup look with me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!